graced the curves of entertainer Danny LaRue, but the rigours of the stage had left it looking bedraggled. Ceri's keen to see the dress full of sparkle once more, a fitting tribute to his hero and friend.
So exciting. Hello.
Hello.
Are you right?
Excited and nervous at the sort of same time, because I know exactly how much work goes into creating this, and then obviously to get it back to its former glory is probably just as much work, if not more. You know, some of his stuff is in the V&A, you know, and maybe that might end up in there one day. Who knows, you know? So,
are you ready?
yes.
Are you ready to see this?
Oh my God. You've done the neckline, all that. Flipping out. I just think it's fantastic, and the history in it, the colours and all that, you know, it lights so well.
It's been lovely to work on, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can always feel his presence, you know, in that.
I just wish that he was still alive and he was here to see it. I'm doing a costume exhibition next year, but that will be in it as the pride of place. It's fabulous that you brought it back to its former glory. He'd have been very pleased, I'm sure. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
Bye.
take care.
That was good, yeah.
Fingers.
Yeah. Well, I'll help you pack it.
Lovely, thank you.
One of my idols when I was a kid became a friend of mine, and I was important enough for him to leave that costume to me, and that means a lot. I think Dan would be absolutely thrilled that this dress has been brought back to its sparkling self. He'd be absolutely thrilled. I know he would.
Will has done a lovely job of the backboard for the dino.